Amazing. We sent a square to the edge of space without rockets. We just need a little more power.
Oh.
Huh? What was that sound?
Why, that would be me, of course. I'm feeling a tiny bit.
Var det von mega sneeze.
Oh, you think that's impressive? Hold on to your blocks. You're going to love this. Prepare for launch in
Woohoo. Achoo. We have liftoff.
Primary launch stage completed. Engaging secondary star.
Shoo.
We've reached space. Second stage complete. Two.
The square has landed. We did it. The only thing left now is to plant the Square Club flag. Numberland, we have a problem. I forgot the flag.
Don't worry, little one. I'll take care of this.
91.
And I promise. No rockets. Square power only.
Chew.
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 Hello. Looking for this?